really bad. It is cold water. I think I'm going to try to swim out there though. Welcome to another beautiful night in Norway. It's pretty cold out, but we're going to go ahead and try to take a flight that the DHC Turbo Beaver is really made for. Take off and landing in a harsh environment from the water. Here we have the beautiful fjord and the beautiful mountains. Let's go ahead and get started. Ooh boy, that's bad. That's really bad. It is cold water. I don't know if I can swim out there. I don't know if it's going to come back in. I don't know if the electronics are going to be very good. Well, let's see what we can figure out. Be right back. So it's pretty far out there. I don't know if you can even see it. I think I'm going to try to swim out there though. Not looking forward to this. That's what it is. It's getting cold out here. But here we go. Wish me luck. Yeah, no, I don't think I can do it. Actually, I think I'll cramp up and probably drown trying to get this plane. Let me go see if I can figure out a different solution. Okay, well, we have a plan. Boat rescue. Boat rescue, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. We'll disconnect the battery here. Yeah, there we go. Boat rescue. Not so bad. Nice view.